gorgeous, glamorous beings. How are you today? How are you feeling? I want you to gratefully say to yourself how thankful you are for the greatest, glamorous, gorgeous, genius, great, giftsful, blessingsful, graceful, gladful, golden, God and Goddess you are. Beautiful, peaceful, healthy, joyful, happinessful, and affirm that everything is great, okay, and everything you need and desire is there with you. So that's how the universe is working. I'm sending you many blessings, peace, health, beauty, wealth, grace, gratitude, and glamorous, genuine, golden, infinite abundance of powerful, peaceful, healthy, joyful, miraculous, great energy from France with much glamour, which is golden amour, golden loving energy, and everything you desire is coming to you, all right? And I'm blessing you. I'm wishing you to have an amazing, beautiful day. Whenever you have a negative thought, change it to the opposite, to the greatest positive thought. So that's how your mindset is trained to always have everything you need and desire, and that's how you are happy and daily energized without needing drugs. This is a great exercise of mindset change. It's called mindset change, and it's a part of my Peace, Health and Joy coaching training. So if you want to be feeling daily great and being peaceful, healthy, wealthy, joyful, powerfully energized, highly energized without needing drugs, even sugar or coffee or anything external, to have great positive energy, but being free and having this feeling of being in heaven every day just because of living, message me and I will share with you all the greatest psychology, neuropsychology and mindset training, greatest strategies in the globe right now, okay, so that you are improving every area of your life and every area of your being, okay, not just physically but also emotionally, mentally, energetically and spiritually, so that you're going from just well to gorgeous and great being, full of happiness, blessings, peace, health, wealth, joy, everything in abundance that you want, and to be able to heal everything negative that happened in the past, and to be transmitting also great, positive, pure, glamorous energy, and being infinitely, abundantly, forever happy and blessed wherever you are, wherever you go, with ease and everything you need. So if you want also to be helping others through your coaching, I'm offering a great training that is giving you all the greatest psychology, neuropsychology, coaching, management, teaching strategies for healing also others and helping others with their mindset, and sharing your knowledge with them. So I'm giving you a great training. You don't need to go to the university. Traditional universities take years. I'm having a Master's of Science in Psychology from the University of Derby in England, and a Bachelor's in Education. I have been researching the greatest educational management, psychology, healing, coaching, neuropsychology, everything regarding well-being, mindset, psychology in the globe right now. I was living in Finland, in the country with the greatest pedagogical education and organizational system globally, and I was a researcher there. And I have been working in some of the greatest schools globally, and I left from schools because they need to change. The children aren't happy. I mean, think about yourself. Did you enjoy the school a traditional education when you were young. It's actually great for some, but not for all, because it's one box that doesn't fit all, basically. So it needs to progress. That's why I'm offering also a training for teachers regarding the greatest pedagogical teaching and parenting methodologies. If you are a parent or want to become a parent someday and have children, is highly needed to learn regarding everything about psychology, child psychology and developmental psychology pedagogy, so that you are a great parent and not repeating the past mistakes from the ignorance, because people didn't know regarding the new pedagogical findings, and it's your great responsibility as a parent. You are the greatest first teacher for your children, and you are a great manager and leader for you. First of all, you are a manager. You don't have to be having a job title that says manager. You are managing your life, you are managing your emotions, and as you are learning the greatest psychology, relaxing, calming, and neuropsychology strategies, mindset change that you need, and energy, cleansing, healing, that's highly important to be also uplifting your energy and doing great things daily that are becoming habits. I'm showing you this in 5 steps. It's an online 5-month training that is going to take you from that situation where you are, from well, okay, not bad being, to great, glamorous, happy, peaceful, healthy, joyful being daily, and having great habits without needing drugs, without needing sugar, without needing coffee, without needing cigarettes, anything, even alcohol. You will be gladfully, pleasurefully enjoying your life without needing drugs. And it's greatly possible for you, and you will be also, if you want and love helping others, to be coaching as a great coach others and being an online coach of well-being, so that you are helping you and others go from well to gorgeous great being with peace, health and joy. Message me, and I'm looking forward to be seeing you. Mwah.